Rajnath Singh announces import embargo on 101 defense items under Atmanirbhar Bharat. Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. I am here to present you latest news of 10th August. This is from New Delhi. India on Sunday announces a negative arms list under which imports of 101 weapons and platforms will be progressively banned from December 2020 to December 2025 in a bid to bolster the fledgling indigenous defense production sector. The Defense Ministry said the list will be expanded or updated periodically without compromising on the operational requirements of the armed forces to allow lead time to the domestic industry to prepare itself for any such procurement orders likely to come up subsequent to the indicated embargo. The list of 101 embargoed items range from some types of ammunition, sonars and radars to artillery guns, assault rifles, corvettes, transport aircrafts and light combat helicopters, among others. Announcing the decision, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said the MOD was now ready for a big push-up to the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative announced by PM Narendra Modi. The MOD has prepared a list of 101 items for which there would be an embargo on their imports beyond the timelines indicated against them. This is a big step towards self-reliance in defense, he said. The decision will offer a great opportunity to the Indian defense industry to manufacture the items in the negative list by using their own design and development capabilities or adopting the technologies design and development by DRDO to meet the requirements of the armed forces, he added. India incidentally has for long languished in the strategically vulnerable position of being among the top arms importers in the world. In the 2015 to 19 time frame, India was the second largest buyer of foreign weapons after Saudi Arabia, according for 9.2% of the total global arms imports, as was earlier reported by media. The negative list also includes wheeled armed fighting vehicles with the indicative import embargo date of December 2001, of which the army is expected to contract around 200 at the approximate cost of over 5,000 crore. Similarly, the Navy is likely to place demands for conventional diesel-electrical submarines with indicative imports embargo date of December 2021, of which it expects to contract about 6 at an approximate cost of almost 42,000 crore. That's it from today. I Vinay Kumar come back with latest news tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.